Hi guys, you're welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can find and copy your Catizen deposit address and memo on Binance. Guys, it's very easy to do. Just make sure you follow me to the end of this video to get it on. Also, if you're new to our YouTube channel, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment, as that will tremendously help grow our YouTube channel. So guys, without any further ado, let's get started. So guys, now the first step is to tap on your Binance app to open it, to log into your Binance account. So guys, once your Binance app opens up, the next step you have to take now is to tap on where you can see add funds. You can see there at the top, the arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, after that, what you have to do now is to tap on where you can see deposit crypto. The arrow is pointing at it, so let me tap on it. So guys, now this is where you need to search for the crypto that you want to copy its address, and for this case you want to copy the deposit address for Catizen. So what you have to do now is to tap on the search icon at the top, so let me tap on it right away. Then after that, what they have to do now is to type in Catizen, or you can simply type in CATI, which is a short form for Catizen. So let me just type in CATI, C-A-T-I. Let me tap on search. So guys, now you can see the search result right there. You can see the Catizen logo, you can see the name there, Catizen CATI. So let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see the next step. You can see what's written there, choose network, and the right network you have to go for is Ton coin. You can see there the arrow is pointing at it. Let me tap on it to select it. Make sure you select Ton coin. So guys, now you can see this notification here. They said important, both memo and address are required to successfully deposit CATI to Binance. So let me tap on OK. So guys, I'll show you guys how you can copy both your deposit address and memo. So guys, now this is where you're going to be able to copy your Catizen deposit address and memo. You can see that encircled area right there. That's your Catizen deposit address. To copy it, just tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. You can see it there. Let me tap on it right away. So guys, now you can see wallet address copied, and for the memo you can see where it is written Catizen memo, CATI memo. You can see there being encircled. For you to copy it, you have to tap on the copy icon on the right hand side. So let me tap on this right away. So guys, now you can now see copy successful. So guys, now I've been able now to show you guys how you can be able to copy your Catizen deposit address and Catizen deposit memo. So guys, I've come to the end of this video and I believe you got value from this. If you did, do it to like, subscribe, and leave a comment. See you in our next upload. Bye bye, peace.